Bitcoin versus gold. Which is a better investment in a post-pandemic world? The COVID-19 pandemic has created uncertainty in the financial markets, causing investors to re-evaluate their investment strategies. This video explores the question of which asset is a better investment in a post-pandemic world, Bitcoin or gold. We will consider the advantages and disadvantages of each investment and examine their performance during times of economic downturn. Keywords: Bitcoin, gold, investment, post-pandemic, uncertainty. Welcome to our video on Bitcoin versus gold, which is a better investment in a post-pandemic world. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin and gold as investments in today's uncertain economic climate. We'll also examine their performance and potential as investments in the post-pandemic world. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the global economy. As the world continues to grapple with the pandemic's effects, investors are starting to re-evaluate their investment strategies. For decades, gold has been considered a safe haven asset. But in recent years, cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have emerged as potential alternatives to gold. Gold has been a store of value for thousands of years. It is a scarce resource that can be traded and stored easily. Gold is resistant to inflation, which means that its value tends to increase during periods of economic uncertainty. However, there are also some drawbacks to gold. Its market price can be volatile, with sudden price drops or increases in response to global events. There are also storage and safety concerns, as gold must physically be stored somewhere. Plus, gold does not generate any cash flow, so investors cannot expect dividends or interest payments. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates outside of central banks and traditional financial institutions. It is decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any single entity or organization. Bitcoin was created with the intention of being a fast and efficient way to transfer money across borders and pay for goods and services online. One of the main advantages of Bitcoin is its potential for growth. Bitcoin has seen dramatic price increases over the past several years, and some believe that it has the potential to become a mainstream payment method and store of value. In addition, Bitcoin is not subject to the same regulatory scrutiny as traditional investments. However, there are also some significant disadvantages to Bitcoin. Its market is highly volatile, with prices fluctuating by significant percentages on a regular basis. There is also significant uncertainty surrounding the future of Bitcoin, as it remains largely untested in times of economic recession or financial crisis. The question of whether Bitcoin or gold is a better investment in a post-pandemic world is subjective and depends on various factors, including individual investment goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Here are some key points to consider. 1. Store of value. Gold has been considered a store of value for centuries. It has a long-standing reputation as a safe haven asset during times of economic uncertainty. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is a relatively new asset class that has gained attention for its potential as a digital store of value. However, Bitcoin's volatility is higher compared to gold, which may make it riskier for conservative investors. 2. Accessibility and portability. Bitcoin offers ease of accessibility and portability since it is a digital asset. Transactions can be conducted globally with relative ease, and ownership can be transferred quickly. Gold, on the other hand, requires physical custody and may involve additional costs for storage, insurance, and transportation. Inflation hedge. Both Bitcoin and gold are often considered as potential hedges against inflation. Gold has a history of being used to preserve wealth during periods of currency devaluation. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply and decentralized nature, is seen by some as a hedge against inflation and potential currency debasement. However, Bitcoin's price volatility can impact its effectiveness as an inflation hedge. 3. Market dynamics. The performance of Bitcoin and gold is influenced by different market factors. Gold prices are affected by factors such as economic conditions, interest rates, and geopolitical events. Bitcoin, on the other hand, can be influenced by market sentiment, technological developments, regulatory decisions, and investor adoption. It is important to note that Bitcoin has a shorter track record and may exhibit greater volatility compared to gold. 4. Diversification. Diversification is a key principle in investment. Including a mix of assets in a portfolio can help manage risk. Some investors may choose to include both Bitcoin and gold to diversify their holdings, taking advantage of the potential benefits offered by each asset class. So, which investment is the better choice in a post-pandemic world? The truth is that there is no clear answer. Both gold and Bitcoin have their advantages and disadvantages, and both can serve as a store of value. Ultimately, the best investment strategy will depend on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. It is crucial to conduct thorough research, consider your risk tolerance, and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Additionally, staying updated with the latest market trends and understanding the unique characteristics and risks associated with both Bitcoin and gold will help you make an informed investment choice. Thank you for watching our video on Bitcoin versus gold, which is a better investment in a post-pandemic world. We hope that it has given you some insight into these two popular investment choices. Remember to do your own research and make investment decisions that are right for you.